I'm gonna see if I can get it. It fell and it walked off. Hang on. Here we go. I was walking up to the stand and seen that pig under the feeder and shot it freehand, kneeling in awkward position because I was trying not to be seen. Got a hit, y'all can hear it, and there's blood on the ground underneath the feeder. So it's been about a half hour, a little longer. It didn't run off, it hit the ground, kind of wobbled off. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a look, see if I got a blood trail and see if I can't find that pig on the ground. Hopefully it's on the ground, hopefully it didn't go too far. Hopefully I don't have that monster pack of about 50 hogs come in around me neither. But just in case, piglets on the case. There's blood. It's shot. It's shot through there. Trail and see what I can find. Alright, I got blood. I'm trying to find the next step. What I'm looking for, well, besides blood, are ants. Because they're already on top of it. Blood. Yep. Blood. Came this way. There's blood. Still coming up. 36A. Still got good blood. Good blood. We got fresh. Defecated right there. Got more blood. Right there, zigzagging. Looks like he went in that way. There's a lot of blood. The trail's getting thicker. Alright, we got it going into this cedar bush clump on the other side. I can't find out where it came out. It a bunch of loose dirt under there, and after, where is it? After hitting that twice and not getting stung, I'm calling it. I got no blood coming out. Like I said, there's a bunch of loose dirt in there. It's likely its wound got covered in dirt for a second and clotted up. And I don't know. Alright, well, here we go. No recovery on that pig. I went under the cedar bush that it went in. And like I said, good blood going up to it. And a lot of loose dirt. And there was a little waller right there. So the only thing I'm figuring is it rolled in the dirt. Dirt got stuck to the wound. And
sealed it up, you know, temporarily, whatever. And then after bumping into that wasp nest, not once, but twice, within about 2 minutes, 3 minutes of not getting stung, I decided that's enough. Done. So there we go. Shot a pig, no recovery, and that's about it. Next morning, yeah, because here's where the blood was. I mean, there ain't no blood here on the ground, but yeah, that's where it was, and I shot, boom, and it laid here for